Okay, let's start a new drawing. Make sure you're in Google Drive AutoCAD Files folder before you click in New. So I'm using a computer that is a lot faster than Chrome, but still, because it is going through the internet, the initiation or initializing time to start AutoCAD will be the same as yours. And we can't really do anything about that one, just the speed of the internet. So immediately we can save this drawing. Drawing 5, we can just click Save As without anything inside it. Okay, and we're just going to accept Drawing 5. Just make sure that's in Google Drive AutoCAD files. If you're in Drawing 6 or 7, that's fine too. Now, we've learned from previous tutorials that you can make exact rectangles or boxes using a line or a rectangle tool, and click the Start, drag. And if you wanted to make a rectangle that's 5 by 3, you can type 5, tab 3, enter. Okay, and then that's the size of a 5 by 3. Okay, so you can do also a box out of lines and not a rectangle, because a rectangle is one object. Okay, if you want to draw separate lines to form this rectangle, you can just use the line tool, and then you can click on the Start. You can drag up, and then you can type in the distance. You can type in 3, press enter, and then that line is going to be 3. Okay, you want to go horizontal, and then you want to type in 5, press enter, and that line will be a 5. Want to go down vertical, type 3, enter, and then it's now 3, and then you can just simply go back to the beginning. Okay, so now you have two rectangles. This one is one object because it was made out of a line or a rectangle. Okay, and this one are separate objects because it was made out of lines. So you can create lines with exact measurements, okay, by simply drawing a line, but before you click the second point, okay, you just type in the length, 6, enter. That's the length of 6. Okay, if you want to draw a line that is 7 or 8, click the Start and then drag up, and then type 8, enter. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm matching the start of this other line. So when I click line, all I have to do is, without clicking, point to the start and then drag to the right. That means it's going to match that point. So I click here, drag up, and I want it to do 10. Press enter. Okay, so you can create objects with exact measurements. You just have to use your keyboard. So you can do rectangles, okay, lines that forms a shape, and then individual lines. You can make out of circles with exact radiuses, or simply click that one and then drag, and I want the radius to be 4, and then press enter, and that's exactly 4. Okay, I want to make another circle. Okay, I just simply point here to match, but don't click and then drag to the right. Click here and then drag, and let's say I want the radius to be 6, and enter. Okay, there you go, it's 6. So this is a radius of 4. I think this is a radius of 6. You can also form a circle using its diameter. Simply click circle, and then over here you're gonna see that it's 3p or 2p. Okay, if you want to form the diameter, you click on 2p, and then simply click one point, and then the diameter of a circle. Now it's not going from the center, now it's going and defining the circle by its diameter. So if I want the diameter to be 8, enter, that means that the radius is 4, and that's why this one's a radius of 6, this one's a radius of 4, but the diameter is 8. So you can define circles using the radius or the diameter. Okay, yeah, so why don't you try that? Okay, let's save first, and then try drawing these 3 lines and these 3 different circles, exact measurements. Use your keyboard. Okay.